If for some reason you don't have the SIM eject tool in order to eject the SIM tray from a Motorola Moto G56, there are some alternative tools that you can use in order to make the SIM tray pop out. So of course over here we have this little hole and we need to insert the eject tool in order to make the SIM tray pop out. But if you don't have the eject tool, this pin over here, you can use, for example, a paper clip. More precisely, you can unbend a small paper clip and use the pointed end to push it into the SIM tray hole over here. You can also use an earring or piercing jewelry. You can use a small stud earring with a thin post that can fit into the hole. You can also use safety pins. A thin safety pin can be used to press into the eject hole over here. You can also use a mechanical pencil, this works as well. And of course we can use a sturdy toothpick, preferably plastic. I should probably tell you that you should avoid a wooden toothpick as it is quite easy to break, but you can of course give it a try only if you want to, but of course I don't really recommend. So you want to use anything that is quite sturdy, that doesn't easily break under pressure, under a little bit of pressure actually, and then just insert it into this hole. So anything that is small enough also that can fit into this hole here. And if you can find any tool that is quite not so easy to break and also small enough that fits into this hole, then you can just use it and use a little bit of power, a little bit of force I mean, in order to make the SIM tray pop out. And then of course we can use our fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.